بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to continue our lesson yesterday, or the last class, about writing. It was in page 76. Today we are going to talking about page 77. The objectives here, you all will be familiarized with outline, how to make outline, writing an essay, to write an essay, understand the rubric that we will follow to write our essay, inshallah, and practice in writing an essay. Okay, this is the outline. First of all, when writing an essay presenting argument, you must present arguments, reasons why, okay, or for arguments, or for if you are support something or against something. That means advantages, and disadvantages. Sorry, I don't complete that. It just only to bold the words. An issue. So we are going to talking, inshallah, in the essay about the argument happen, the reasons why you do that or like that, or if you about and we will talk about the advantages of this argument and disadvantages of this argument. Okay, follow the outline below. Introduction, the most important to divide your essay into 3 or 4 paragraphs at least. This is one introduction. It's very important introduction to introduce the subject of the essay and to try to explain the problem that in the that will be arguments in the essay. After that, a main part consists of 2 paragraphs or maybe 4 paragraphs. Okay, if you ask why 4 paragraphs, I will, if I have for example, if I have 2 or 3 points about the advantage, I can put everyone in a paragraph. Maybe I can use 3 paragraphs in advantages only. In advantages only, I can use 3 paragraphs, no problem. If I have 3 points and I want to talk about every point, okay, sorry. Yes, and I want to talking about every point alone, okay, so I can use multi paragraphs. So in this argument, present argument in favor, that means support, that means advantages of the issue. Give me the advantage of the issue statement in 1 or 2 paragraphs. It's up to you. Then present the argument against disadvantages, the issue statement in 1 or 2 paragraphs or whatever you want to add. The last one is conclusion. In conclusion, give me the general comment, about the essay, about the, for example here, about the advantages and disadvantages and the problem itself. Give me the summary or the general comment about this issue. And give your opinion. This is very important to give your opinion and at the end of the essay. Okay? After that, writing task, read the article and the rubric. We need to read the article and the rubric. The rubric is very important, okay? Below, and underline the keywords in the rubric. We will underline the keywords in the rubric. That means the important words which will lead me to write the essay and to reply about or to write about this problem. Okay, let's read, please. the proposal, the suggestion to build a multi-story parking garage. Multi-story, that means multi-floors. Multi-floors consists of many floors, okay? Garage, parking garage in the place where Lowtown Park now stand. Lowtown Park, this is a city, Lowtown, not Lowtown, Lowton Park. Park is the place where can people enjoy and entertain together in the nature. Okay, now stand has caused a lot of controversy, a lot of talking about this issue. In the local council, in their local council, their meeting, the local meeting for the people who live in the community. The parking problem in the city is well known. Everyone in the city know about that problem. Okay. However, those opposing the decision claim that the destruction of the park is unnecessary. Okay. The other people said don't take off or destroy or destruct the park. You can use another place to build your parking garage. They also say it shows a total lack of regard for the need of children and also they find in building this garage, by building this garage, that will less regard or the lack of regard of respect for the needs of the children and especially people or the community who enjoy playing in the park, especially people who enjoy playing in the park. There's many people want to go to park every day and enjoy their time and playing ball or basketball or etc. They insist that another site should be found for the parking garage. They insist, they make sure that they can find another place in another side of the city. Okay, this is the problem. We have problem. I will summarize the problem in 2 sentences or in 2 or 3 points. The first one, they want to build a parking garage, multi-store parking garage. Okay, in the place of the park, they will destroy the park, okay, and build the parking. Why? There is a need, and everyone in the city know that there is a problem in car parking. Okay, other people said it is lack of regard for the needs of children and especially people who go to the park every day. Okay, growing. This is the rubric. This is the rubric that we must read. Okay, and underline the main words in the rubric. Let's read together. Growing population in cities lead to the development of more facilities like shopping mall and parking garage to cater for the need of the restaurants. That is, when you want to growing population, you need to build shopping mall, to build parking garage, to increase the facilities, okay, for the people or for the residents. This often happens when the expense of nature. Who will pay? Who will pay? This is very important. Who will pay for this project? Is the nature. Is the nature. We will destroy the nature to build this building or this community, such as parking, field or forests. Parks, fields or forests. All of them will in the area destroy to build the new city. What are the advantages of destroying a park in order to build a parking garage that would serve of the need of community? Okay. What is the advantage of this one? And is there any or are there any advantages? I'm sorry. discuss the issue, giving example. What is the main words? I think growing population is the main word. Give example also, and disadvantages, and where is the advantages? Advantages. Okay, I think these are the most important words in the rubric. Let's check. Okay, check with me. Growing population. This one will be where? This one will be in the introduction. We will talk about this one in the introduction. Growing population, and till your problem in the city, okay, until your problem can make another change in the city, or like that, to provide shopping mall and etc. Then in the second paragraph, go to the second thing or second underlying words, that is advantages of destroying park in order to build parking garage. Give me the advantages from destroying the park and build the garage instead of park. Will serve the people, and give me the disadvantages in paragraph 3. And after that, please all of you, if you can, it's very important for you when you write or when you speak about something, about the issue, give your opinion, and then or give the matter from this or the sentence about this advantages or disadvantages, and after that give example. When you give example or reason why you do that and give example, okay, you justify your sentence and you justify your idea. So giving example is very important after every idea. Okay, after advantage, give example, as after disadvantage, give an example. Okay, then writing your essay from 150 words to 175 words, go to workbook page 56. Okay, this will be in workbook page 56. Tip: when writing an essay, that's very important to take care about when you write an essay for or against an issue. If you are support or against, carefully. Not if you are writing an essay for and against. Give me the advantages and disadvantages. Sorry about that. Carefully consider the argument for the for and against the issue, advantages and disadvantages. Which we talk about that. Select the argument you have the most to say about. Okay. Tell me what you are going to talk about. Don't try to deal with too many points. Concentrate on one point, please. Use topic sentence to express the central idea of each paragraph, as I talked in the last class. Please, topic sentence is very important in every paragraph because it defines the paragraph. It gives the definition for the paragraph. It gives the general idea of the rest of the paragraph. Okay, so if anyone come and read the first sentence, which is topic sentence, he will initially understand the what is going on in the paragraph. Develop paragraph by expanding on idea. Try to expand your idea. Try to write 1 or 2, 3, 4 ideas in the topic sentence. Justify your idea. Okay, justify your idea. When possible, use example to illustrate them. Okay, give your idea, justify, tell me why you talk about this idea, and after that, give me the example about this idea. At this moment, you are completely perfect. For links, words, and phrases that you can use, see appendix 1. This is most important when you want to write. Okay, let's go to this page. This is very, very important when writing. We have here a list of points. If you have a list of points, firstly, to begin, start, the first place, and finally at the end, add more points. When you want to add more points, okay, you can use in addition, you can use furthermore, you can use moreover. Maybe you have about 6 or 7 sentences. Let me talk about 7 sentences, okay? And you have 4 of them. Add more points. Just add more points. 4 sentences. The first one, second, third, fourth. If you have 4 sentences, all of them for adding points, okay, you can use in addition for the first one. Don't use in addition for the second, third, fourth. That's not good. Okay, just try to use the first one in addition for the first one, in addition for the advantage of the building parking garage, and complete your sentence. In the second sentence, use moreover. Let me use moreover. Sorry. Okay, let me use moreover, or apart from this, or beside, or another point, all of them for adding new points. Okay, don't use one phrase for the all, not all, for the 3 or 5 sentences. No, please try to change your phrases. This is for giving an example. If you want to give an example, you can use one of them and emphasize to make sure that your point, and express contrasts against. And if you want have express against contrasting, you can use these phrases. All of them give the same job. Express cause and reason why. Okay, therefore to because or since. And when you give the result or consequence, that means if you in the end, this one usually sum up is a conclusion in the last paragraph, and give your opinion. When you want to give your opinion, use one of them. It's very helpful. It's very helpful, and make your essay beautiful and accurate. Accurate means perfect. Okay. Now you have brainstorm idea for your essay. I want you now open to page 54 in your workbook and try to think about this problem and about the rubric that we wrote, okay? And try to answer these questions, okay, from your personal idea, and give your try to argument this problem and give the advantages and disadvantages and conclusion at the end with your opinion. I try to make to answer these questions. What is the issue you will be considering in your essay? What's the problem? Is replacing the Lawton Park with a multi-story parking garage. This is the problem. I will explain more about this problem, what is going to happen, okay? And maybe no problem if you give the another reasons, no problem. Okay, this is the first question in introduction. This is in introduction, okay, to give the general idea. And in the main part, 2 to 4 paragraphs, it's up to you if you use 2 paragraphs or 1. Okay, what are the advantages of building multi-story parking garage in the place of park? What are the advantages? It will solve the need for parking space in the city. Okay, they will find the solution for the parking car in the city. Give me the example. I said here, places of high rate population, people, a lot of or many people, the place which contain many people always struggle from finding car parking space. They sometimes they couldn't find a car park space. Paragraph 3 talking about disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of building parking garage in the place of park? Give me the disadvantages. It is the only place, only this place for the community members to have fun and enjoy their time. Give me an example about that. Families and children consider that the park is an initial, is important for entertainment. Last paragraph is a conclusion. Building, give me the comment. Write your comment. How do you comment? Okay. Building a multi-story garage is an effective way, okay, to extend the parking spaces. Give me your opinion. On the whole, at the end, in conclusion, all, I think garage building is more important than the park according to the need of the people. Okay, depend of the people needs. This is very important. More car parking, garage is very important more than park. Thank you for paying attention, everyone. See you inshallah tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to start the revision for 4 classes. Inshallah, we will start the unit 1 inshallah for tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.